Ukrainian forces have managed to destroy a TOR battery. The statement said, in the Zaporizhzhia direction, fighters of the Active Operations Unit of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine, together with HIMARS operators, discovered and destroyed a launcher of the TOR anti-aircraft missile system. It was reported that the PD-2 unmanned aerial vehicle, purchased with donations from the Come Back Alive Foundation, helped with the target identification. Viewers may note that the UkrSpecSystems PD-2 is designed for air reconnaissance as well as offensive use, with the ability to carry warheads weighing up to 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds and can take off from a runway or be equipped with removable modules for vertical takeoff and landing. In this video, Defense Updates reports on HIMARS taking out Russian TOR air defense system using GMLRS. Let's get started. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The TOR is an all-weather, low to medium altitude, short-range surface-to-air missile system designed for destroying airplanes, helicopters, cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, and short-range ballistic threats, anti-munitions. Originally developed by the Soviet Union under the GRAU designation 9K330 TOR, the system is commonly known by its NATO reporting name SA-15 Gauntlet. The TOR combat vehicle has radar and missiles based on a single vehicle. The TELAR vehicle carries 8 missiles. Missiles are launched vertically. Radar of the TOR detects aircraft at a range of 27 kilometers or 17 miles, helicopters at a range of 12 kilometers or 7.5 miles, and UAVs at a range of 15 kilometers or 9.5 miles. The air defense system uses 9M330 missiles. Missiles have radio command guidance. The effective range of fire is 12 kilometers or 7.5 miles, and the maximum altitude is 6 kilometers or 3.7 miles, depending on the target speed. TOR has been a key weapon for Russia ever since it started the onslaught against Ukraine. British military intelligence in December reported that Russia's SA-15 TOR, SAM, is playing an effective role in defense against Ukrainian attacks at the front lines. The UK Ministry of Defense said in its War Intelligence Update, "The efforts of both Russia and Ukraine to overcome their adversaries' ground-based air defense systems continue to be one of the most important contests of the war." On the Russian side, the SA-15 TOR short-range surface-to-air missile system, SAM, is playing a critical and largely effective role. The British ministry added, "With a maximum range of 15 kilometers, the SA-15 is operated by the Russian Army Air Defense Units and is designed to protect the front line of ground troops. This is in contrast with other short-range systems, such as SA-22 Pantsir, which are operated by Russian aerospace forces and typically protects command nodes, longer-range SAMs, and air bases." The intelligence report found that the SA-15 is effectively acting as the front line of Russia's elaborate air defense network in Ukraine, and it is currently particularly utilized to counter Ukrainian uncrewed aerial vehicle operations. It added, "The TOR M2 is designed to shield vital administrative facilities and the first echelons of ground forces against strikes by anti-radiation and cruise missiles, gliding air bombs, aircraft, helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles. The TOR air defense system can control the designated airspace on its own and independently shoot down all air targets, that are not identified by the friend or foe system. However, one of the key limitations of the system in the current war is likely the endurance of its crew. The report stated, with an established allocation of only 3 personnel to each system, maintaining a high state of alert for extended periods is highly likely proving an extreme test of endurance. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, or HIMARS, is a light multiple rocket launcher developed in the late 1990s for the United States Army, mounted on a standard Army M1140 truck frame. The system has seen many upgrades, including a rework of its targeting software for better accuracy. HIMARS can cover a distance of 300 miles or 480 kilometers on a single refueling and can travel with a maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour or 52 miles per hour. It can be reloaded in about a minute with only a small crew. The use of a wheeled chassis, rapid deployment, and dismantling of the complex digital fire control allows HIMARS to use hit-and-run tactic. It has one universal pod that can accommodate 6 unguided or guided rockets of 27mm caliber or 1 MGM-140 Army TACMS with a diameter of 610mm. The guided MLRS, or GMLRS, uses GPS and has a range of 46 miles or 75 kilometers. It can accommodate a 90-kilogram or 200-pound warhead. GMLRS has a reliability rating exceeding 98%, and all 6 GMLRS can be fired in under a minute. HIMARS has undeniably been one of the most impactful weapons the U.S. has provided to Ukraine. Recently, the Special Operations Forces destroyed an enemy Buck missile system in the Sumy direction. Also, Army TACMS fired from HIMARS have been used to take out the powerful S-400 air defense system in Zhankoy Air Base, which is located in the northern part of Russian-occupied Crimea. TOR is not a CRAM, counter-rocket artillery mortar system. It's not designed to take out incoming rockets like the Israeli Iron Dome system. While in certain conditions the TOR can technically intercept GMLRS, it's not something the system is primarily intended to do. So a GMLRS salvo fired from HIMARS can take out a TOR air defense system provided the exact location is known and the strike can be executed swiftly. Ukraine has been using UAVs for surveillance very effectively, and this is where PD-2 comes in. It's evident that HIMARS, cued with targeting data from drones, is a very lethal force.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.